Hi guys, this is Simon, and in this video I'll show you how to create or how to make a zip file. So without further anything ado, let's begin. So in this video I'll show you two methods to create zip files. Number one method is to use the compressed option in Windows. To make zip file or RAR file using compressed option, simply select that file. It can be anything like MP4 or MP3. So after selecting that file, right click on that file and go to the send to section from there. And from here select compressed or zip folder. And it will create a zip file of that same file you have selected in the same directory with the same name. So our method number two is to use the WinRAR to create a zip file. So first of all, we need to download and install WinRAR. So I will put the link in the description below. You can download it from there and go through the installation process. So after installing WinRAR, select that file you want to create a zip file. So after selecting that file, right click on that file again, and from there click on add to archive, and a pop-up will come. So from here you can change the name if you want, and if you want to change the format option, you can do that from here also. If you want a zip file, then click on zip, and if you want a RAR file, then click on RAR. And if you want to encrypt your files, so then just click on set password. So from here you can type in the password you want, and after that click on OK, and again click on OK. So it will create a zip file in the same directory with the same name. So these were the two different methods to make or create a zip file. So if you like this video, then make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe this channel to get more videos like this, and share this video to your friends so that they will also know that how to make or how to create a zip file. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, you know what you have to do. Stay safe and stay healthy.